My name is Dr. Mohammed Ismail Atya Abdelkarim from Egypt. I currently work as a consultant and lecturer of urology in Shams University Hospital. SurgeSync Camp is a global fellowship program where you can receive training on the Revo-i surgical robot in Korea. If you complete training at a hospital designated as Revo-i Training Center in Korea, you will receive an official certificate of completion. I completed the program at Severance Hospital and had the honor of being its first participant. I was deeply impressed by the hospital size and advanced infrastructure. It was a great privilege to receive training at the hospital that operates the most surgical robots and performs the highest number of robotic surgery in Korea. From registration process to the training itself, I was grateful for the warm hospitality and support from all the medical staff and hospital employees. The 10-day training was well organized, consisted of both a basic course and an advanced course. In the basic course, I received an introduction to Revo-i and participated in dry lab training, where I learned how to operate the system. In the advanced course, I observed Revo-i surgery and had the opportunity to engage in table meeting to discuss surgical technique. A highlight of the program was observing multiple partial nephrectomy surgeries performed by Professor Yonsei from the urology department at Severance Hospital. His surgical skills and the high performance of Revo-i system left a strong impression on me. Additionally, during a meeting session, Professor Lee shared his experience in robotic surgery, which will be invaluable when I perform Revo-i surgery in the future. I had the chance to observe nephrectomy procedure using Revo-i during wet lab training. I sincerely appreciate both Severance Hospital and the meerecompany Revo team for organizing such a well-structured and comprehensive program. I have received training on other surgical robots before. However, this SSC training was a much higher level. The biggest difference were the reliability of the Revo-i system and the sincerity of the training approach. First, Revo-i's stable performance allowed the training to be conducted effectively throughout the surgical observation and hands-on sessions. I confirmed how reliable and well-designed the system is. The second training course was full of sincerity. Meerecompany's Revo clinical consultant was with me throughout the training course, providing detailed instruction on Revo-i system while also extended warm hospitality. I think the sincere commitment to education made the experience even more valuable. This training convinced me that Revo-i is a robotic system I definitely want to use. I was able to directly experience its stable performance through surgical observation, dry lab, and wet lab training. Additionally, since Revo-i is known for its cost effectiveness, I believe it could greatly contribute to expanding robotic surgery accessibility in Egypt, helping more patients receive advanced surgical care. Although Revo-i has not yet been introduced in Egypt, this training has motivated me to actively support its adoption in my country. Finally, I want to express my sincere gratitude to the medical staff and employees at Severance Hospital, as well as the meerecompany Revo team for making this program possible.